not my outfit today. You're always wearing those tops. How many times have you worn that? Why not? Well, I have an idea. I think that's a really good top. You can make a black one too. That's perfect for your outfit today. Good idea, girl. Let's do it. I'm ready. Hey everyone! Good evening, good morning, good afternoon from all over the world. It's Linelle here and today we have another video. So today, ang i-clone natin is itong favorite crop top ko na suot ko ngayon. And as you can see, it really fits me well and stretchy yung fabric niya. And comfortable naman siya. And before we start, let's check muna what's inside this clothes, kung paano tinahi ito nung pinagbilhan ko. And then after that, we're going to do those DIY. So here is the top that we're going to clone for today. And as you can see, super simple lang yan. Just like 2 straps and just a tube top. So I have a tutorial on how to do a tube top. It's very easy and you know, it's beginner friendly. You can click the link here so you can watch it after this video. So here is the top from the outside. As you can see, wala talagang visible na sewing dito. So kung makikita nyo, wala talaga makikita. So when we turn the top inside out, you can see na merong stitchings here. Here, just on the upper part. And then, nasa loob din yung stitchings ng tube. I have used this Korean ET fabric and it's very stretchy, as you can see. Very stretchy. Right. And we're going to use this to make this cute crop top in black. So I have my tools ready. We have this ruler, a tailor chalk, and also my medida. So for the length of this crop top, I've measured this in half and then multiply na lang natin by 2. So for this one, it's 7 inches. So times 2 is equal to 14 inches. But since we're going to have a seam allowance, we're going to have this at least 15 inches. So here, ang gagawin na lang natin is 4 inches so that we can fold the straps. And then, ang gagawin natin is to sew the sides and then turn it inside out so that we can have a clean stitching. And since we want to make it a lot easier, we're going to use pins. Ipipin lang natin tong fabric na to and then we're going to cut it. Para 2-in-1 na natin siya magagawin. So we're going to cut 2 straps of this. Okay? So for this tube top, ang gagawin lang natin is gagayahin lang natin kung paano nila ginawa to. And as you can see, doble siya. So dodoblehin lang din natin yung tela. So nilagyan ko lang din ng pins dito para at least hindi gumalaw yung tela habang ginugupit natin siya. I'm going to have at least 1 inch allowance on both sides as well as here. So for this, since I wanted something longer than this top, I would have at least 2.5 inch allowance here. we have a new fabric and it's only 2 pieces, but we need also 4 pieces of fabric so we can mimic this one, this tube top, because it has double fabric on both sides. So we're just going to pin this tube top that we cut earlier onto this new fabric so that we can just cut these sides and have a new one. Before sewing, don't forget to change your needles into the one suited for your fabric. We have here the Singer number 14 for stretch fabrics. So our machine settings should be, we're going to use a zigzag stitch so that we can avoid those stitches from breaking since it's a stretchy fabric. So a zigzag stitch, a stitch length of 2, stitch width of 6, and we're going to make our tension at 2. So don't forget to use or test first with a scrap fabric so that we can see whether what the stitch will be. So for sewing stretchy fabrics like this, I wanted to make sure that the foot of your sewing machine aligns with the fabric so that it gives you or your machine the space to create a zigzag stitch. Now we're done with the first strap. Here you go. As you can see, here's the stitches. Not that perfect, but definitely good for me. On to the next one. So we're just going to turn your straps inside out, just like we did here. So here, just turn it inside out. Ta-da! Now we have 2 straps for our tube top. So guys, what we have here is yung tube top natin. Mayroon na siyang clips sa sides and then isa-sandwich natin yung straps on both sides. So I measured 3 inches on the left side and 3 inches on the right side. So we're just going to sew this with a zigzag stitch. Instead, dapat ang gagawin natin is napapaloob siya dito sa mismong top natin and then babaliktarin natin siya. So ang ginawa ko is nirip ko na lang itong part na to and then isusuko na lang siya. Same with the other side. So we're just going to put that inside. So yeah, after that, we're just going to sew this part of the top. And after that, we're just going to sandwich the other top. After sewing, I remove all the clips and turned the top inside out and meron na tayong ganitong top after that. So now, meron na tayong top na merong straps on both sides. So, ang gagawin natin next is to sew. So, dito ko nagkamali before. So, what we're going to do is we're going to flip this out, and then yung bottom part is that clinip ko na siya dun sa side, and then ipipin ko na lang tong part ng top para hindi siya mag-glue. So I'm just going to do that on this side. And ngayon, i-clip din natin itong other part of the top. After we clean all the sides, we're just going to sew it with a zigzag stitch. Okay, so ganito yung dapat maging itsura niya. So we're done on the other side. Should look something like this. We're just going to sew the other part. I can feel it, magiging successful na ang second attempt. So what we have here is this one. Sewn na yung sides. Sewn na din yung part ng straps. And also this side. So once we're going to turn it inside out, ganito ang magiging itsura niya, guys. Tadaan! Sewn na yung sides and yung upper part. So the last part na we're going to do is we're going to hem the lower part of the tube top. Now guys, I can smell the success of this top. So what I'm going to do, last part is to hem the lower part of this tube top. So we're just going to sew the bottom part of the top. After sewing the bottom part or hemming the bottom part of the top, we're done! Yay!
I said I hate you, guess I was lying. Kinda miss all of the fighting. When it's good, I like it. When it's bad, it's exciting. I said I hate you, guess I was lying.